I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility. You need 100 or more subscribers, a channel older than 30 days, plus a profile image and banner. Once confirmed, open YouTube Studio and go straight to customization, then basic info, where available custom URLs appear. Choose the closest available option now, make small adjustments, add a dash or number if your first choice is taken. This step begins the formal claim, so be decisive and keep alternatives ready while you continue to the next screen. Once a suggestion appears, evaluate each option for clarity and brand fit. You can sometimes edit the suffix provided, so substitute a short, memorable variant if needed. Make sure the preview shows exactly what you want. Capitalization matters for readability, even if not for uniqueness, and that it adheres to length and character rules. After finalizing the text, click Confirm to claim it. Keep an eye on any platform prompts. They may require acceptance of additional terms or immediate confirmation to lock the URL. After confirming, immediately test the new URL on desktop and mobile to ensure it resolves to your channel. Then update all external places, social profiles, website, video descriptions, and printed materials so viewers find the new address. If the change fails or the option never appeared, clear your browser cache and cookies, sign out and back in, and double-check eligibility requirements. Alternatively, visit Advanced Account Settings to remove an old custom URL and try again. That single tip solves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.